This video is a review of Pizza Mamo, located in the Chinatown section of Honolulu. Every once in a while you have a pizza that stands out in your mind as being very memorable. As my friend Peter Reinhart explains, there are two types of pizza, good pizza and great pizza. And the pizza at Pizza Mamo is great. Now, of course, the taste of pizza is totally subjective. You decide what tastes good to you. For me, Pizza Mamo is just incredible pizza. A quick backstory here. Pizza Mamo is occupied in the same space as Brickfire Tavern, located in Chinatown. Brickfire Tavern created authentic Neapolitan pizza, and they still create great pizza in their new location of Kaimuki. Same owner, two different pizzerias. So Pizza Mamo rose out of the ashes of the previous pizzeria. Pizza Mamo has changed their direction a bit. They pay tribute to Brooklyn, New York style pizza, as well as Detroit. According to the website, slanging Brooklyn and Detroit style pizza made with the finest ingredients using old world techniques in Honolulu's historic Chinatown. I ordered several pizzas, the triple cheese, a pepperoni, and a Detroit. I had gone expecting to record an interview with Matt, the owner. I had my camera and microphone ready. After one bite of the 4 cheese, I totally forgot about the interview and I just wanted to enjoy the pizza. The crust was amazing. My taste buds were doing a dance as I had bite after bite. I was astounded. Next, I sampled the pepperoni pizza. This was a wonderful collection of pepperoni cups on the pie. Pizza Mamo uses Izo pepperoni. I have interviewed Darren Izo about his amazing pepperoni. I'll include a link below this video where he discusses Izo pepperoni. Then I sampled the Detroit. The oozy charred cheese around the edges did not disappoint. This Detroit was simply astounding. What is it about Pizza Mamo that's so special? Certainly, for me, the crust was the star. They make no secret about the ingredients used in their pizza. Their flour is from Central Milling. This flour is the top choice for many professionals and home pizza makers. The sauce is made from Stanislaus tomatoes. Their tomatoes are wonderful. Stanislaus only sells to professional pizzerias. However, I did find a source, and I'll link to a review I did of Stanislaus tomatoes below this video. Pizza Mamo also uses grande cheese. Hey, no relation to me, but the cheese is wonderful. Also, Matt explained to me they use a 4-day ferment for all their pizza. This extended ferment time allows for the taste and complex flavors to develop. And a great hint for the home pizza chef is to give at least a 24-hour cold ferment for your own dough, or much longer. I was able to go back to Pizza Mamo another time, and I did record an interview with Matt. I'll share that in an upcoming video. I will say this, the pizza at Pizza Mamo is simply superb. The marriage of the tastes work well together. But for me, the star of the show was the crust. And I have to say that 4-day ferment really imparts a great flavor. Everything about the pizza here is outstanding. And check them out for yourself. You will not be disappointed. Pizza Mamo has totally elevated the pizza game here in Honolulu. You can find Pizza Mamo at 16 North Hotel Street in Honolulu. It's at the corner of Hotel and Nu'uanu, just a little bit down the block. I'll put all links to the resources I discussed below this video. And I'll do an upcoming video with an interview I did with Matt. If you could show a little pizza love and subscribe, pizza on earth, goodwill to all.